Hello students, in this video we will discuss about class 12 business studies subject, and in this subject I am going to take a one chapter, that is organizing. In organizing chapter I have already discussed about meaning of organizing, process of organizing, importance of organizing in my first video, and this one is video number second. In this video I am going to take two topics. First is organizational structure and second one is span of management, and both the topics are very important for the board examination purpose. Organizational structure can be asked in the board examination for 1 mark or maybe for 3 marks. For 1 mark, question can be like that: define an organizational structure, or what do you mean by organizational structure? Or for the 3 marks, write a short note on organizational structure. Span of management can be asked for 1 mark. And what will be the type of question? What do you mean by span of management? Or maybe define span of management. We can get these two questions as a multiple choice question also. So let's start. The first topic is organizational structure. Organizational structure. Organizational structure can be defined as the framework within which managerial as well as operating tasks are performed. It specifies the relationship between people, work and resources in an organization. Organizational structure is having few of the specific characteristics, few of the specific features. First, under the organizational structure, various posts are created to perform different activities to achieve the organizational objectives. These activities are related to managerial activities or maybe operating activities. Second feature is this: it provides basis of framework for managers and other employees to perform different functions. If I will just take this organizational structure to discuss a few of the things, these things are included. First, it is the framework. It is the framework for managerial and operating tasks. Second, it is helpful or it creates relationship between people, work and resources. Now, people may be I can say managerial or maybe operational. Work top level, middle level or bottom level. Resources, machine, money, means organizational structure creates relationship between people, work and resources, and by this creation we can achieve our organizational objective or our organizational goal easily. If we will not have the relationship, if we will not have the framework, then it is very tough task to achieve the organizational goal. Next, Next topic is span of management. What is span of management? It refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. Means span of management tells us that how many subordinates can be controlled by a one superior or by a one manager. It is very important for every business. It is important for every organization that organization must know that how many subordinates can be controlled, can be managed effectively by a manager, so that we can give or we can allot the subordinate to the managers, and by that managers can take the work very easily. Span of management is having few features. First is it is helpful to decide the level of management. Means, as you know that we have three levels of management. First is top level, second one is middle level, last one is bottom level of management. So span of management is helpful to decide the level of management. Next, it is helpful to shape the organizational structure. See, for every organization there is a need of structure on that organization can stand. So that is why in every organization, whether organization is profit organization, whether organization is non-profit organization, for both types of organization, organizational structure is essential. If there will be organizational structure, things can be moved very easily. Now, suppose if I will say how many types of organizational structure, there are basically two types of organizational structure: functional structure of organization and divisional structure of organization. These two types of organization I will discuss in my next video. Before just ending the video, I am going to revise the things like functions of management. There are how many functions of management? There are 5 functions of management. First is planning, second one is organizing. This chapter we are discussing here. Third one is staffing, fourth one is directing, and fifth one is controlling. And these functions are interrelated also, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. 5. Means separately there is no specific importance of any function. Suppose we have a planning only in the management, then planning is having zero importance if we will not have other functions. Suppose we have only organizing function in the management, then there will be a zero importance of organizing. Suppose if we will have only staffing function in the management, we have zero importance. But if we have all the functions together, every function has a specific importance, and all the functions are very helpful and important for the successful management, for the successful of organization. Now, meaning, what is organizing? Organizing is helpful to identify and define the small activities. It is helpful to create the roles, responsibility and rights of every employee so that they can work without any doubt. Process, it has a different steps as I have discussed in the earlier videos. Importance, organizing function is very important for the successful accomplishment of organizational goal, or I can say it is very helpful for achieving the organizational goal. Now, organizational structure. See, there are 2 types of organizational structure, but meanwhile I am just briefing the things. Organizational structure is helpful for defining managerial as well as operating task framework. It is also helpful to create relationship between people, work and resources. Now the span of management is helpful to decide the optimum number of subordinates which can be controlled by the superior, so that if superior will have the optimum number of subordinate, he can manage the things very easily. Thank you.